So I'm about to check the transformer behind the doorbell. The doorbell light doesn't seem to light up. So I'm turning on the power and the multimeter shows the transformer output to be 18.5 volts EC. So it seems like the transformer is working. But I do see a loose wire over here. So there's actually three wires. There's the red one and the white one which goes to the actual doorbell, and there's also this other wire sticking out, looks green, which is not connected. So it's possible the doorbell light is not lighted because that wire, green wire, is not connected. It may have come loose, but the transformer looks like okay, 18.5. This is the doorbell that I removed earlier, and the transformer was behind that doorbell. And essentially I use these alligator clips to extend the contacts down so I can connect my multimeter. So I'll disconnect these now. Yeah, that's basically the setup. And this is the doorbell that existed in front of the transformer, which I removed. Those two terminals were connected to the red and white terminals up there. So the red one was connected to front and the white one was connected to trans, and rear looks like it's empty, there's nothing in there. So this is the actual doorbell, but that's the transformer behind the doorbell, which does seem to be working. Now if I were to go out, this is a lighted doorbell button. It's supposed to be a lighted doorbell button, but basically this button is not lighted. And I also measured the output here, which wasn't 24 volts AC or 18 volts AC. So it looks like the power wasn't getting to this lighted doorbell. It's supposed to be lit up. So maybe when I connect that loose wire, I'll start getting a lighted doorbell, and maybe then the doorbell will work.